All right, go ahead.
I don't know if we're gonna make it. I don't know if we're lost or too low.
He says, come on in there. Well, this will be interesting. Jill's taking her up and in. Oh my God, this will be. This is going to be tight.